Hey, this is Logan from Isitt Apps. This will be my first tutorial for the iOS series. I'm just going to start out by going over downloading Xcode and doing Hello World. So here we go. You're going to want to open up the Mac App Store, search for Xcode, and download it. And that will take a bit of time, so get that started. After that, we're going to want to open up Xcode. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go into Xcode. You're going to create a new project. You can do a single view application, nothing fancy. You want to call it Hello World. Use storyboards and automatic reference counting. Going to save that to wherever you want. I'm going to save mine right here. I'm going to replace it because, yeah. Okay. So now you're in the project. To start off, we're going to go into the view controller, .h. Still processing some stuff. I'm going to go to, we're going to add an object so that we can attach it to a view in the storyboard. So we're going to go at property. Then we're going to go strong, comma, not atomic, IV outlet, and then we're going to do a label, so we're going to go UI label, and then we're just going to call it my label. Alright, now we have to synthesize this view. So we're going to go in here and we're going to go at synthesize, and then we're going to synthesize my label. Starts off with just these two methods. What I like to do is go after that. What we're going to do is we're going to go my label, set text, and we go hello world. Now, if you've done Java, you just need quotes, but the way that Objective-C works is that you have to put an @ sign in front of all your strings. So do that, and there you go. We're going to go into the iPhone storyboard, and you just go into here and pick the label out right here. Center it onto the screen. To attach the object from the code, we're going to go into the view controller, click the view controller, go my label, and attach them. Now, they're attached to each other, and if you run it, you'll get it to say hello world. Make sure to have it set up here for whatever you want to run it on. So it'll load up. Hello world. So just like that, you got that, and we'll keep that open. Now you could easily just change this to say hello world, right, and not have it attached, but you'll want to change it in the code. Say if you want to do different languages, it's just easier to do everything programmatically and to go even beyond that, what I usually try to do is do everything programmatically, because it makes positioning a lot easier for both the iPhone and the iPad. You could easily, again, just do it like this for the iPad as well. But you're going to notice that you have to do this every single time, and it gets kind of annoying. So what I've started to do is, if you go into here, you don't even have to have an IV outlet. You can just get rid of that. This is the programmatic approach. You'd go into here, and instead you'd do something like my label, and then you'd equals UI label, and then you allocate it in it, and we'll set the frame right here. CG rect. This is really easy. If you go CG rect make, and it will just ask you for the positions. What I like to do is to center it. We're going to go self dot view dot frame dot size dot width divided by 2, and you could easily make a variable over above this that would just have the size, so that you don't have to go so far into it with a dot view dot frame dot height divided by 2, and I left the size out there. So size. And then for as far as width goes, it doesn't matter. You can just use the we'll just go 320, and we'll go 20. So that'll make a little frame for it. And now you don't even need to have these on here. You can just take that off, just so you can see that this works. So there's no views on here, and it's being created right. You go you're gonna have to go self add dot view add subview, and then my label. So declare it, set the text, add to the view. And there you go. That's the first one. I'll be back with more. Stay tuned. See ya.